A viral gene that made human life possible. Did you know 8% of your DNA is viral? Well, it was on the title of the video, so by now you should already know that. Nowadays, during this coronavirus outbreak, I think viruses are getting a bad reputation. Here I want to specifically give credit to a virus that made human life possible. Now, as you know, viruses make their living by attaching themselves into specific types of cells, and they inject their genetic material, whether RNA or DNA, into the cell. These genetic materials find their way to the cell nucleus and get inserted into the DNA. Now, some viruses are smarter than others. Many viruses, including those that cause common cold, can only attach to our epithelial cells. Eventually, these cells die and we get rid of the DNA trapped in them. However, some viruses are smart and lucky and insert their genetic material into the germline cells, which means egg or sperm. Getting into the DNA of, let's say, one of your respiratory epithelial cells means getting copied into all of its daughter cells. But getting into the DNA of an egg means getting copied into every cell in that organism that grows from that egg, and from there into all the organism's offspring. In that case, they can be passed on to the next generation. Once they're integrated into the genome, they can stay there and accumulate over millions of years. In fact, we share many of this viral genetic material with vertebrates. Now, does that make you 8% virus? Not exactly. 99% of DNA is non-coding. Basically, don't have any direct function. Only a fraction of these viral pieces are still active, and some actually have important functions. In 2000, scientists made an incredible discovery. While investigating the human genome, they encountered a curious gene now known as syncytin. Syncytin turned out to be a viral gene that infected our ancestors, and it can actually be found in all mammals. The cells that create syncytin are situated in one location, the point where uterus and placenta meet and fuse to form a layer of cells known as syncytiotrophoblasts. This cellular layer is critical as it enables human fetus to obtain nutrients from the mother's body. So what originally started as a viral gene designed to produce proteins that would promote cell fusion, thereby allowing the virus to spread with greater ease, now serves to connect mother and child. Quite simply, syncytin is critical, and without it, human life could never form. So now you know. I hope you like it, and I see you next time. Actually, I can't see you, so never mind.